Hello, today I'm going to show you how to charge a Garmin watch featuring Garmin Extend 2X Solar. So, to charge your Garmin, you are going to need the charging cable that you are given in the Garmin box and the package with the watch, obviously. And you see, the cable looks like this, with the pins. You flip the watch, find the charging port, plug it in, and you're going to hear a nice click. Now the cable is locked. The back end of the cable you put to your charger and plug it to your wall. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. If it does, please hit the subscribe and like. Bye.